Hi, I'm Aidan from Tool Equip Naas. I set up Tool Equip about 30 years ago, selling tools and equipment into factories, workshops and building sites.
So, why should you buy from us? Well, we asked our customers that question and they came back with two main reasons. One was that customers liked the fact they could get most of what they wanted under one roof in good quality brands. The other reason was the advice from our sales team. We've over 70 years experience between us and customers like the fact that we have answers and advice on most jobs they described and the tools they needed. Meet the team.
Hi, I'm Henry.
Hi, I'm Mark.
Hi, I'm Martin.